You guys, welcome back. I've been monitoring the temperatures each week, and there's been several days where it tiptoed in the low 40s. It's not too concerning, but for those of us living in cooler regions, it's a signal that it's time to start harvesting and bringing in the tropical greenery. Today I'll be showing you how I harvest one of my favorite herbs, lemongrass, and how to store them. They've grown, but not nearly to their fullest potential due to the limited sun exposure in this east-facing garden. Usually each of these stalks would be thicker and have multiple offshoots, creating new lemongrass stalks. That's okay though. This amount will get me through next spring. First, I cut each stalk down at the base. Each of these stalk stumps will eventually shoot up new lemongrass stalks. They have such a refreshing lemony and floral smell. The lower, firmer half of the lemongrass is the most fragrant and flavorful part. I reserved this part for making curry paste, herb paste for stir fries, marinades, and soups. The upper leafy half is still very fragrant, but milder in flavor. I use this mostly for teas. They can also be used in making curry paste, herb paste, and soups. There are 3 ways that I prep the lemongrass depending on what I'll use them for. The first way is the bundle. Select medium and small stalks for this. A good rinse before prepping them. Fold the bottom of the stalk like this, forming a base. And then wrap the leaves around by twirling it around the base. Tie it. Wrap it around and tuck the ends in. Let's do it one more time. I only use the bundle for infusing lemongrass flavors into soups. Its tight bulkiness makes it convenient to scoop out once it's done its job in the broth. I like storing them in 2 freezer bags so they can maintain their flavor. The second way is slices. With a sharp knife, chop the lower portion of the lemongrass into slices like this. You can go even thinner if you like. Perfect for pounding into curry paste and herb paste for stir fries and marinades. Store them in 2 freezer bags. The third way is short leaves. With a scissor, cut the lemongrass leaves into 4-inch pieces. This is great for making an aromatic cup of lemongrass tea, which I have often. If you decide to use these leaves also for cooking, you can cut them into the size that works for you. Be careful when handling the leaves as they are sharp and can cut you like a paper cut. Also store them in 2 freezer bags. Place these in your freezer, and they'll be good for up to 6 months. This amount will get me to next spring. This is how I harvest lemongrass and store them for future use. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.